Granting access to ELB using IAM isn't rocket science, but it's close. IAM helps us define who gets access to what, ensuring security and efficiency. ELB makes sure our applications are available without crashing under load. The key: policies and permissions. Without them, your ELB might be like a bouncer with no guest list. Utter confusion. Let's break this down step by step. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine IAM as a security guard and ELB as a traffic cop. IAM makes sure only the right people enter, while ELB directs the traffic smoothly. Together, they ensure your applications don't crash or let unauthorized users wander in. Think of it like a concert. You need security and a good crowd manager. Let's explore how these two AWS services make life easy. IAM users are like employees with ID cards. They get specific access. Roles, on the other hand, are like temporary guest passes, useful for short-term tasks. This helps keep things secure because we don't want passwords lingering around forever like forgotten leftovers in the fridge. A well-structured IAM setup ensures only the right people have the right access. Let's take a closer look. IAM policies are like secret recipes. They tell AWS who can do what. AWS offers ready-made policies, but sometimes we need a custom mix to suit our needs. Setting permissions carefully is crucial. Nobody wants an intern accidentally deleting the entire infrastructure. Let's explore how to keep IAM permissions secure yet flexible. Before we let users into the ELB VIP section, we must check their credentials. We start by verifying IAM policies. Think of them as our guest list. Next, we put AWS CLI or console to work and ensure access is actually working. Security groups and network settings. They're the bouncers at the door, keeping unwanted guests out. Finally, authentication must be rock solid. After all, we don't want any imposters sneaking in. Troubleshooting IAM access issues can feel like finding a needle in a haystack, but don't panic. We start with common permission errors. Sometimes it's just a missing policy. CloudTrail logs tell us who's knocking and getting rejected. Trust relationships need to be solid. If users aren't trusted, well, no entry. Lastly, resource-based policies ensure the ELB knows exactly who to let through the gates. A little detective work and voila, access restored. Security isn't just a one-time thing, it's a lifestyle. First, we follow the least privilege rule. Nobody gets more access than they need. Regular credential rotation keeps hackers guessing. Multi-factor authentication, like having a secret handshake and a password. And of course, monitoring logs ensures we catch any suspicious activity before it turns into a disaster. Stay vigilant and your ELB stays safe. Keeping an eye on IAM access is like running a security checkpoint 24/7. Policies can become outdated, so regular review is a must. Tracking login attempts. If someone fails too often, we need to investigate. AWS config helps us stay compliant, like a security guard keeping records. Lastly, generating reports isn't just for fun. It's our proof that everything is locked down tight. Stay sharp and audit smart. Not everyone should have permanent access. It's like revoking an expired backstage pass. We start by clearing out unused roles to reduce clutter. Modifying access ensures users have only what's needed for their job. No more, no less. Inactive users, they must be removed before they become security risks. And of course, we log every change for accountability. IAM access isn't just granted, it's managed. We've covered a lot, but here's the takeaway. IAM security is an ongoing journey, not a one-time task. Regular reviews keep policies fresh. Training your team makes security a shared responsibility. Automating checks helps catch issues before they become problems. And compliance ensures you're always operating within best practices. Keep improving, keep securing, and most importantly, don't forget to update those IAM settings. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.